It is the most magical time of the year. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel from the Confused Millennial, and today is going to be a really fun decorate with me video. I got my reindeer ears on, got my Christmas tree up, I got the fireplace rolling, sort of, Florida fireplace, and I'm really excited to walk you guys through all of the things, especially because this is the first year in my life at 31 years old I had a fireplace to decorate, which is like a Christmas dream come true. I live in Florida, I've lived in Florida my whole life, and I never had a fireplace until we moved into this house. And last year it was really ugly, like super retro, red brick, hideous white ceramic tiles with thick black grout. It was a whole thing. I'll leave a link to that whole renovation in the description box below if you want to see how we updated our 1970s fireplace. In the description box below, I linked the majority of these items so you guys can go ahead and shop my house, as well as the Dollar Tree Christmas DIY videos so you can make any of the DIYs I've done. And there's also a vlog with my top holiday decor picks for 2020. It's very cozy, very much like the vibe of my house, Christmas tree farm. Start with, I guess, the room I'm in. This is our living room, family room. We have our Christmas tree, which is from King of Christmas. It's one of their flocked ones. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Highly recommend their trees. They are so easy to set up. The metal pole, it automatically connects all of the lights and turns it on. So you don't have to like dig inside of your tree trying to plug each of the section's lights together. Hey Reagan, what are you doing? The non-breakable ornaments. There's not a whole lot of printing with this tree, which I love.
I know, it kind of just all falls.
Making sure all the bristles are, you know. A lot of the ornaments are also from King of Christmas or their personal ones that I've collected over the years, ranging from Cracker Barrel to Disney World. We're gonna put these on the tree. Take it one ornament. Take this one. Here, take this, okay? And we're gonna go put it on the tree, okay? Come on, put it on the tree. Come here, 1 foot ornament on the tree. Yay! Can I see which ornament that is? Can you show me the ornament? Hi! What a pretty ballerina. Behind me here are some Christmas garlands I made last year. I will leave a link to all those tutorials in the description box below. It's basically an origami Christmas tree, a Dollar Tree ornament one, and then I found these gingerbreads at Michael's last year, and I just used a little gold paper to make some presents. I made a little gingerbread present garland, which I love. Next is our bay window. So the middle garland is like a really cheap $5 garland, and then the 2 side garlands I got from Michael's a few years ago. For the really cheap $5 garland, all I do is decorate it with some of the Dollar Tree florals and then pine cones that I scavenge from nature. Really simple to do, just twisting the lights onto it. And how I hang this around our bay window is just with some cup hooks. I did a full tutorial on how I did that instead of a curtain rod for this space, and I will leave a link to that in the description box below as well if you're interested. So I'm obsessed with how our open shelving came out. We have one of those Dollar Tree DIYs, that's the big sign on the top shelf. I got the red kind of mason jar from the Dollar Tree as well as just some of their holiday florals. On the second shelf is our Christmas tree terrarium DIY, as well as this cute Gnome for the Holidays sign I found at the Dollar Tree. Also in our open shelving, I found this super cute little garland Christmas tree bulb farm type of thing. I don't know, it cost like $5 at Target, and I thought it was perfect for pulling this little corner together, really enhancing the whole Christmas tree farm terrarium aspects, and also just adding a little bit of twinkle. Over to our fireplace, I wanted to carry through the Christmas tree farm theme, so I started off by hanging our garlands on our mantle. I just used some command hooks to do this. I went ahead and used, it was like a 5 plain solid evergreen garland from Target, and I just mixed that in with one of their fancier garlands, one of their flocked glittery ones, by just twisting them together. And that was how we got our garland around our fireplace mantle. You know, I wanted this to kind of be like you're entering the Christmas tree farm. So I started off with the mailbox post, as if you're just getting to the farm, and there's the little mailbox. And I got this cute little Dollar Tree red truck that had some Christmas trees in the back. I went ahead and used some of the foam block and cut it so that the sign would stand up on its own just by gluing little kind of feet to the back of the red truck's wheels. And that way when you hit the turn, flocked tree that I think was $5 from Target, those are probably gonna go really fast. They had a ton up at that like budget spot when you first walk in. Then I went ahead and laid out our white Christmas village, which was one of my Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs, and filled in some of the sisal trees that I got off of Amazon, which I will link below, and then topped off the far end with 2 more trees from that Target budget section. These were both $3, I think. Next, I went ahead and added in our little stocking hooks, and I used them as kind of display stands as well. So I got these cute little packs of figurines from the Dollar Tree. So one had Santa, Mrs. Claus, and Frosty the Snowman. The other one had kind of like more of the red truck Christmas tree farm type of feel, and I sat those on top of a couple of the hooks. Our stockings, 2 of them are from like 3 years ago, Target Hearth and Home Magnolia collection, whatever that thing is. And the other 2 I actually found for $3 each up at Target, and I had been waiting and waiting to find stockings that would kind of match ours ever since having our daughter. So this worked out really well. To our bedroom, I also decided to swap out the pictures above our bed. You guys can go ahead and print these if you like them. Keeping in mind, you may have to adjust the size of the pictures for your space. And I just made these in Canva, which I will leave a link to as well. I also went ahead and added these cute little starlights I found at Target. I think they were $5 each, and just added a little twinkle to the room without like vomiting Christmas everywhere. Have our mini Christmas tree DIY in the galvanized tin. This glass bowl is kind of like another take on my Christmas tree terrarium, just adding some twinkle lights. And I got this red vase from the Dollar Tree as well. You guys can also get this Christmas printable on my dresser. It's part of a pack of 25 printables, including the ones over my bed as well. So make sure to go ahead, download that. So it was just a nice way to keep our room very tranquil, very calm, very minimalist, while adding in some festive cheer. Make sure to hit that notification and subscribe button because in my next video, I will be sharing my best gifts for toddlers. These are the gifts that we got my daughter between 1 and 2 years old. They also work really well for like a 3-year-old, and some of them would work well for a 4-year-old as well. So you definitely won't want to miss that. And in the description box below, I will link a blog post with my top picks for holiday decor this year. It's very like Hygge, Nordic, Scandinavian, cozy textures, warm wooden neutral tones. There are some pops of color because obviously I like some pops of color, but definitely go ahead, click that link in the description box, check that out. I hope you enjoyed this decorate with me video. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, my name is Rachel. You guys can hit me up on Instagram at @theconfusedmillennial. Happy holidays!